Well, good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss the substitution nucleophilic internal substitution nucleophilic internal, which is termed as SNI reaction and mechanism. Now, most of the reactions that we have studied, that is SN1, SN2 reactions and mechanism, and in SN1 we get racemic mixture, and in SN2 we get the inversion in configuration. But most of the nucleophilic substitution internal reactions proceeds with retention in configuration. Generally, the reagent used for this reaction is your thionyl chloride, where the example for this reaction is the conversion of alcohol to alkyl chlorides by using thionyl chloride. Now, this reaction is, as the thionyl chloride is used, the reaction is to be carried out in an anhydrous condition. So, the alcohols on reaction with thionyl chloride, and when you heat, and this thionyl chloride must be anhydrous in nature, that is free from water molecules, and so it gives you the formation of alkyl halides with the liberation of sulfur dioxide and HCl. The simple example, that is of ethanol on reaction with thionyl chloride, anhydrous thionyl chloride, you get the formation of ethyl chloride as a product. And here the retention in configuration is observed. But now, as usual, we have studied that the molecule to be needed to study the configuration of the reaction is to be having an asymmetric center. And so, yes, alpha phenyl, yes, alpha phenyl ethanol is allowed to react with thionyl chloride, and you get the product for this reaction, that is S alpha phenyl ethyl benzene, alpha phenyl ethyl benzene as a product. Means here in this reaction, which proceeds by SNI mechanism, leads into the formation of product with retention in configuration. And so here S alpha phenyl ethanol is allowed to react with thionyl chloride. Here this is the alpha carbon atom, and so to this the phenyl ring is attached, so it is alpha phenyl. The configuration of this molecule is S alpha phenyl ethanol, and so when you heat this, you get the product, that is S alpha chloro ethyl benzene, alpha chloro S alpha chloro ethyl benzene as a product. So here it is considered that this reaction proceeds with SNI mechanism. And so what is this mechanism? So this mechanism proceeds with the formation of an intimate ion pair. So here this S phenyl ethanol on reaction with thionyl chloride, that is S double bond O Cl SOCl2. And so here you will get that this lone pair of electron of oxygen is donated to the sulfur, and this chlorine is cleaved, and you get the product, that is PHCHCH3. The oxygen is attached to the sulfur, and here the one chlorine atom is remaining. Now, in this alkyl chlorosulfite is obtained, alkyl chloro alkyl chlorosulfite. This alkyl chlorosulfite gives you the formation of intimate ion pair. Means here this bond cleaves and gives the electron pair to this oxygen, and so here this sulfur with double bond with oxygen, here this gives you a ion, that is PHCCH3 H, and this carbon bears a positive charge, whereas this sulfur with oxygen having a negative charge, chlorine, and here this oxygen with double charge. Means here we are getting two ions. So these ions are called as intimate ion pair. And this intimate ion pair is formed in this reaction, and so this negative charge gives the electron pair here, and here this electron pair is given to this carbocation. Means chlorine is transferred to the carbon bearing positive charge from the same side from where the OH has been cleaved, and so the sulfur dioxide is set free, plus the molecule, that is S alpha phenyl ethyl sorry S alpha chloro ethyl benzene, S alpha chloro S alpha chloro chloroethyl benzene is obtained as a product. And so the this is nothing but your retention in configuration is obtained in the reaction. Retention in configuration is obtained in this reaction. And so the as the intimate ion pair is formed, it immediately collapses and gives you the formation of the product. Now we can say that whether this intimate ion pair is formed in the reaction or not. How we can prove this? So here, for that, the scientist has carried out an reaction which which indicates the formation of the intimate ion pair. So the proof for this formation of the intimate ion pair was carried out by performing a reaction in which 3-methyl 2-butanol, 3-methyl 2-butanol, this molecule is allowed to react with thionyl chloride. And here we must get that this OH is to be replaced by the halogen. So the product obtained must be with the chlorine atom at the second position, that is 3-methyl 2-chloro-butane must be the product. 3-methyl 2-chloro-butane must be the product obtained in this reaction. But apart from that, here we are getting a mixture of product in which that this product is obtained, and plus here we are getting the 2-chloro 2-methyl butane as the product. Means we are expected product. This is the expected, and this is the unexpected product. unexpected. But this is not observed. This is not observed, and this is observed in the reaction. So why this thing happens? Means our expected product is 2 chloro 3 methyl butane, but we are getting this is 3 methyl, sorry, 2 chloro 2 chloro 3 methyl butane, but the product obtained is 2 chloro 2 methyl butane. What, why this thing happens? So we has to study the mechanism of this reaction. So once this 3 methyl 2 butanol is allowed to react with thionyl chloride, we will get the formation of the intermediate. The hydrogen atom of this hydroxy group will be replaced, and here you will get that this CH3 CH CH3, here OS double bond OCl, means the hydrogen atom is replaced by the thionyl group. Now it will lead into the formation of the intimate ion pair, and so here you will get the formation of CH3 CH CH3. So here this H we will write it here, CH CH3. Here this is the positive charge. Now here this carbocation which is obtained is secondary in nature. This is secondary carbocation. But as this methyl shift will take place and it will get converted into tertiary carbocation. It will get converted into tertiary carbocation. And here you are getting this S double bond O, O minus, and this Cl. And so here O minus, S double bond, and this Cl, this will give the electron pair, and this will transfer this chlorine to this, and you will get, means the secondary carbocation is being converted into tertiary carbocation, and the unexpected product, that is 2 chloro 2 methyl butane, that is 2 chloro 2 methyl butane, is obtained as an product, which is the observed unexpected product. Observed unexpected product. And so here this indicates that the reaction proceeds with the intimate ion pair formation. If the intimate ion pair must have not formed in this reaction, this unexpected product must have not been obtained. And so we must have obtained 2 chloro 3 methyl butane as a major product. But now if you carry out the same reaction in presence of thionyl chloride and pyridine as a catalyst, pyridine as a catalyst, that is the base. If this is used, the reaction gives you inversion in configuration. It completely gives you inversion in configuration. That is R alpha chloro ethyl benzene, alpha chloroethyl benzene. So this is the most important thing that you are supposed to keep in your mind, that if this alcohol is allowed to react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, the product is always with inversion in configuration. Overall, the reaction always proceeds with retention in configuration. That is, in substitution nucleophilic internal, the reaction proceeds with retention in configuration. But if pyridine is used as a base, as a catalyst, the reaction proceeds with inversion in configuration. So this is all about your substitution nucleophilic internal reaction. Thank you very much. And we will continue in the next lecture that the what is the difference between the elimination and substitution reactions. So we are going to see that the elimination versus substitution reactions that we have studied so far in the last year, that is first year, we have studied what are the different types of reaction, but what are the similarities and what are the differences between these two types of reactions, that is elimination and substitutions, which are totally apart from each other. Thank you very much.